Ito na lang po, so dali. Stiffen your neck. Give me 5. Walang sweldo for December. Walang 30. Okay. Relax lang. Relax lang, relax lang. Give me 5. Wala talaga siyang passion sa pag-give me 5. So yung kanina, ganun talaga siya. Dali. Ano yung parameter na nag-change? Neck. Do you see that? Just that. And you expect your championship to do so many things. Sir. Ito ha, insured ka ba, sir? Insured daw siya. Mababa ka ang display na nagahiyong neck. Or wala ka pa rin baliman. Okay. This time, no hands. No hands, mom. This time, no hands. No hands. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hindi ko matapos. Ginigising ko lang kayo. Gising na, gising na. So, anong point ulit? Neck lang. Because the neck is the axis of rotation and weight transfer. Sir, last request. Bago ka umupo, punta ka doon, please. Kaya ka dito. Tapos galing neck, walk to your chair. Okay lang. Kaya, diba? Super dismal. Kaya, because, sige, thank you. Sit down na po. Kaya niya mag-walk, di walang problema masyado. Kasi, nakakompensate yung body niya. Pero kung wala siyang compensation na iba. So, neck pa lang. You can, the most important thing when nag-give me 5 siya, simple weight shift. You can't even do it because the neck is there.